Dear student, this is Shailesh Devdas Janbandhu, Assistant Professor from Department of BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Varda. And today's topic is computer code. In last lecture, we discussed about two types of number system, that is decimal number system and binary number system. Today we discuss about the octal number system. Octal number system. Octal means 8. So it is also a positional number system and it has the base value, that is 8. Hence there are the only 8 symbols or 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7. From 0 to 7 symbols are used to create an octal number. Just like we discussed about the decimal number, that is from 0 to 9 can be included in a number that called as a decimal number. Same way, when we talk about the octal number, that time the base of octal number is 8, therefore it includes 8 symbols or 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. Means these 0 to 7 numbers or digits or symbols can combine or create an octal number. Each position in the octal number is represented by a power of same 8. Power of 8 means power of 0 to 8 raised to power 7. All valuation or position of digits can be explained here or include here. Now, just like we convert the decimal number into binary one, same way we can make the octal number to decimal number. So the conversion of octal number to decimal number. Just like we convert the binary number to decimal number, same way we can calculate or we can convert or find the equivalent value of an octal number to a decimal number. For example, if we have 75 octal number, so we can find which type of value or what type of value will represent the decimal. So we have the octal number that is 7 and 5 means 75. Its bit position is 0 and 1. Depending on the position, we have to make the value or find the value of decimal. So 75 octal equals to the first digit from left hand side, that is 7, multiplied the base of octal number, that is 8 raised to power the position or location of 7 number or bit position of 7. So the bit position of 7 is 1 plus the second digit, which is 5, multiplied by again the base of octal raised to power bit position of 5, that is 0. So the valuation 7 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1 means 8 plus 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0, that is 1. Multiplication 7 into 8, 56 plus 5 into 1, 5 equals to 61. Therefore, the 75 octal has equivalent 61 decimal. This way we can convert an octal number into decimal number. Next example for that, same conversion can be done. Now we convert a 3-digit, just like 645. 645. It includes 0 to 7, means it is an octal as well as decimal. But we provide the base value, that is 8. So it is considered as a octal number. We should find the decimal one. So the value or octal number is 4645. Base or bit position of these numbers are from right to left, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So 645 octal equals to, from left first digit 6 multiplied by base value of octal 8 raised to power position 2 plus second digit of octal 4 into base raised to power bit position plus third digit 5 into base raised to power bit position 0. It means 6 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2 means 64 plus 4 into 8 raised to power 1 means same value 8 plus 5 into 8 raised to power 0 means 1. Multiplication of values 384 plus 32 plus 5 and addition 421. So the 645 octal represent 421 decimal. So this way we can convert an octal number into decimal 1. Next one, the conversion of decimal number to octal number. We convert the octal number to decimal. Now we can convert this decimal number into octal one. We can check, just like we have 465 as a decimal number 421. Can 421 equals to 645 for octal? We can check it by converting the decimal into octal one. So conversion of decimal number into octal number So for the example, 461 decimal equals to the octal. We convert the decimal number into binary one. For that, we divide the provided number by base value of a binary. Now we convert decimal number into octal number. So here we should divide the given number or given decimal number by the base value of a octal one. So the octal base value of octal is 8. So each element or each value should be divided by 8 for converting decimal into octal. For that, again we should create the table. Quotient, remainder. The decimal number, that is 461. The decimal number 461 divide by 8, that is 461 divide 8. The quotient value for this is 4. So the remainder is 4. So remainder may be 5. So the first remainder is 5 and the quotient value is 57. Now we have 57. So 57 divide by 8. 57 divided by 8 equals to 1. So the remainder is 1. We have quotient 7 divide by 8, that is 7 divided by 8. 7 cannot be divided by 8, so the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 7. Here we get the quotient value 0 and 0 cannot be divided by any number. It goes to infinity. So we have 5, that is called LSB, that is least substitute bit for the number 461, and last one is remaining value MSB. And to find the octal number, write the values from bottom to up, that is MSB to LSB, from bottom to up. So the value is 715. So 461 decimal equals to 715 octal. 715 octal. So this way we can convert a decimal number into an octal number. Now next portion is conversion of binary number to octal one or octal number. Binary to octal. Binary to octal number. Binary number has a base value of 2. Octal number has a base value of 8. Means when we represent a octal number, if it has a base value 8 as 2 raised to power 3. It is a base of octal number. 8 is the base of octal number and 2 is the base of binary number. Binary number. We can say that if we have 2 raised to power 3, it means 2 into 2 into 2, it creates a 8, means base value of a octal number. So 2 raised to power 3 represent the value of octal number. So we can create a 3-bit value, to represent octal number. If we calculate the 3-bit value, means 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 2, it creates the valuation of octal number. Just like 2 raised to power 2, 4, 2 raised to power 1, 2, 2 raised to power 0, 1. It creates the 7 and it represents 0 to 7. Means 7 value can be included in the octal number system, because octal number system has a base value of 8 and it includes 0 to 7 number. So the bit value represent, or the binary value of 3 bits represent a octal number. So how we can calculate the binary number, or binary number can be transformed or converted into an octal number using 3-bit values. For example, we have a binary number 1 0, 5 times 1, 0 0. It is a sequence of 0 and 1, and that sequence is called as a binary number. Binary has a 2 digits or symbol, that is 0 and 1. 0 represent off, 1 represent on. These values are representing a binary number. Okay, to convert into an octal one. So to convert these values, first write the binary number. Now we have 3 bits for conversion. So from the right hand side to left hand side, make a 3-bit group. So 3-digit group or 3-bit group. We create a 3-bit group of 3 digits or symbols. Now these symbols or these digits represent a binary number. These binary numbers represent a decimal number as well as octal number, because both are the same, but decimal has 0 to 9 and octal has 0 to 7, but their representation in binary number are the same. So we should find what type of binary octal number will be represent 101, 111 and 100. For that we prepare a table, decimal or number, binary symbols. One, if we want to create 1, so we have 1, conversion of 1 into 3 digits or binary digits. For that we have 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 3. It create an octal number or represent the octal number. For that 0 0 1, 0 0 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1 2 raised to power 0. Okay, 2. If we have number 2, it create the bit position 1, 2 and 3. It represents 2. So 0, 1, 0. For 3, the combination of bit position 3 includes 1, 2, 3. So 3, 0, 0. 4, for calculating 4, we need 3, 0, 1. For 5, 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 6, 1. Sorry. 4, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. And 7 for 111. If we calculate the values, just like 1, 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2, then 2 raised to power 3, it creates 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 0 equals to 0, 1, 1. Means 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4. 5, 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 0 includes 4 plus 1, 5. 6, 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 1 means 4 plus 2 equals to 6. 7, 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 0. It creates 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 7. So this table represents the decimal as well as octal number. So we have the values of binary numbers to represent. We have first group, that is 101, and 101 represent the fifth value or 5. So decimal number 5. 111 represent the 7 and 100 represent the 4. 100 represent the 4. So we have 574 octal for the binary number 105 times 100. It represents the 574 octal number. Same way, next one, a binary number 1101 110. Binary equals to octal. So we have the value 110110. In this statement or in these particular numbers, we group in 3 from right to left, 3, 3, and remaining is 1. So group for 1 because we don't have another values. So it represents just like 1 represent 2, 1. 101 represent 101. 5, and 110 means 6. So the number is 156. So 110 110 binary represent 156 octal. So with this way we can convert a binary number into decimal one by using the 3-bit values of a binary, and it will represent the same decimal number or octal number. Now the conversion of binary octal number into binary number. Same way, just like we convert the binary number into octal one, the octal number also convert into binary one by representing 3-bit values. It's like 436 octal number will represent the binary one. So 3-bit values, each digit or each symbol can be converted into a binary digit. So 4, 3, 6. We have 3 symbols available in octal number, that is 4, 3 and 6. 4 will represent in a binary like 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 3 will represent 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. And 6 will represent 1, 1, 0. So in lineup 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 is a conversion of octal to binary. Octal to binary. Same way, each digit will represent a binary one. 3 digit values or 3 symbols values, bits values can be represented in our chart. Same way, we can convert each and every symbols which are available in octal number can be converted into a binary one. Another one example for converting octal number to binary one. Just like 37 octal equals to binary. So we have 2 digit 3 and 7. So 3 will represent like 0, 1, 1, and 7 will represent in a binary 111. So the combination of all 37 octal will convert it into binary one, that is 0, 1, 1, 111.